SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making some stuffed cabbage or cabbage rolls. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that I will be using in the cabbage rolls. In this platter, I have some chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped red pepper, parsley, and green onions. 2 eggs, some sour cream, seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika, a head of cabbage, some ground beef, cooked rice, sauerkraut, and some tomato sauce. Let's get started, guys. If you notice, my cabbage, it's whole. This is an easy way to get the leaves off. What I did was freeze the whole cabbage for about 3 days, I think. And then the day before you use it, you take it out and let it thaw. And then what I'm going to do is cut the bottom off. And these leaves are just going to peel right off, and they're already soft, so you don't have to cook them. You're just going to roll everything into that leaf. Very easy way of preparing this. All right, let's go. So I'm going to put some butter in there. So you don't want to put this too high because you don't want to burn the butter before you even put the onions in. And what I'm going to do is put my onions in there. I know it could heat up some more, but onion, pepper, garlic. This is pretty much cooked, so last minute I'm just going to add the parsley and the green onions. Okay, so the leaves you don't have to overcook. You just want to kind of soften them up, and that's done. Okay, so that's going to cool off. Okay, so this is my frozen cabbage and I thaw it out. So what I'm going to do is cut this part off. So this is here. So you're just going to cut it down like that so they can peel off. So you make sure you take it out like that. And then I'm just gonna peel these off. So you see they're nice and soft. So you only need to keep it in the freezer for about 3 days. And then, like I said, before you cook it, you take it out. And you don't have to cook them because it's already soft. And when you cook it in the oven, it's gonna be nice and soft. I remember days when I used to boil the leaf and try to peel this off when it was green. And one of my co-workers, she was Eastern European. And I was saying this cabbage roll, I love cabbage rolls, but it's so difficult to peel all that cabbage. And she said, no, you don't have to do that. Put it in the freezer. And that was a gift because I've been doing it this way ever since. And I've told a lot of people how to do this. So what I'm going to do next is just rinse these off. We are going to put everything together now. I'm going to take my ground beef. And this is extra lean ground beef. And I'm going to add some rice to that. Put the veggies in there, and then I'm going to put that seasoning. And I like to do this with my hands, so you just get some gloves on, you get it all in there. And what I'm doing is pretty much like I'm kneading it. Actually, I'm just going to add a little bit of this beef seasoning in there. So that has salt in it and it will flavor the meat. That's optional. Next thing, I want to crack these eggs in there. Okay, and the last thing, I'm going to take my gloves off now. And the last thing I'm going to put is my sour cream. And this gives it a really nice tangy taste. If you don't like sour cream, you don't have to put the sour cream. I just like the way it tastes. Okay, and that's the filling for the cabbage. Alright, so next step, I'm going to start rolling them. So everything's done now. My filling's ready, and look at that. Lots of meat in there. What I'm going to do is take this. Okay, so you want to make them nice size. And I'm just going to put it in here, in my leaf. And you're going to roll it. Roll it, roll it. And what I'm going to do is fold this in, the corners. Just fold these in. And then I'm going to continue to, okay, like that. See, like that. And then you're going to put it down this way. Okay, and that's it. Now to the next step. This is a, oh, it broke.
Hold on.
I was struggling to open this thing. I had to get help. We're just going to put some of that in here. Now I'm putting some sauerkraut on there, on the cabbage rolls. And that's going to give it a nice, sour, tangy flavor. You just want to put that all over them, like that. All right, I think that's enough. And then I'm going to take this nice tomato sauce. So just tomato sauce. You can use any tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, any sauce you have. And you're just going to pour it on top of your cabbage rolls. And what I want to do is put that on the bottom. So I'm going to pour it so it doesn't burn. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to take our foil and I'm going to cover it. And you know, you can have this cabbage with some veggies and some boiled potatoes, maybe some roast potatoes, or you can just have it by itself with some sour cream. And what I'm going to do is just let it sit until I put it in the oven. And this is going to cook for about an hour, hour and a half. And you want to do it about 400 in the oven. I think our cabbage rolls are done. It's been an hour and a half. I checked it before and it was almost ready. So let me see what it looks like now. Oh, that's good. See, that's done. Then you have that sauerkraut. Oh, that is, yeah, that's good. Let's cut it and I can show you what it looks like inside. And look at inside our cabbage rolls. Look at that. You can see the peppers and the meat and the rice. It smells so good. Delicious. And there you have it, guys, our delicious cabbage rolls. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.